To speak English, you first need to have some basic knowledge of the language, such as vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Here are some tips to help you. Build your vocabulary, learn new words and phrases every day by reading books, articles, and watching movies or TV shows in English. Listen to English speakers. Listening to native English speakers will help you improve your pronunciation and intonation. Practice speaking. Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can practice with a language exchange partner, a tutor, or by recording yourself and listening. Learn grammar. Grammar is important for speaking English correctly. You can learn grammar by studying English textbooks or taking an online course. Be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Use English in your daily life. Try to use English in your daily life as much as possible. You can do this by thinking in English, writing in English, or speaking with friends and family who also speak English. Remember that learning a language takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate progress. Keep practicing, and you will improve your English speaking skills over time.